Hello dear smart students. Environment, natural, human and human made. Introduction. Environment is a significant factor of the earth, has everything that is around us. It is reached everywhere over earth, which becomes from biotic or living and abiotic or non-living things. It plays a vital role in birth, existence, nourishing of life over earth. It is a big basic life support system which provides air, water, food and land to any life. Word environment. The word environment is derived from the French verb environner, which means to encircle or surround. Totally, environment means what is around you, the surrounding. It can be involved as the physical, the chemical, and the biological world. Define or definition. There are various definitions which have existed in world with periods. Most scientists propounded different definitions of environment in different times. Environment means anything that is around us. The environment can be defined as a sum total of all the living and non-living elements and their effects which influence human life. Environment means the surrounding external conditions influencing development or growth of people, animal or plants, living or working conditions, etc. Environment means the aggregate of surrounding things, conditions or influences surroundings milieu. Environment means external conditions or surroundings, especially those in which people live or work. Component of environment. Natural environment, air, water, land and living things. Human environment, individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic, political situation, etc. Human made environment, buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries, etc. Function of environment. The supply of natural resources. The sustains life. The assimilation of waste. The enhances quality of life. Fill in the blanks or objectives. The word environment is derived from the French verb environner. The environment means anything that surrounds us. The environment can be defined as a sum total of all the biotic and abiotic elements and their effects which influences human life. Land is a component of a natural environment. Religion is a component of human environment. Monuments is a component of human-made environment. The sustains life is a function of environment. Please like, share and subscribe video. Thank you dear smart students.